Ronaldo, please come to save me. I miss you so much.
Highway transport.
Where is Messi?
What are you talking about? I don't know anything. Let me see the CCTV footage from the last 3 days.
Oh, well, fine. I need this handled immediately.
I'll take care of it.
You can't escape like this! Stop!
You're not getting away.
Take your hands off Messi now!
I miss you so much, Ronaldo.
I miss you too. Let's go home. I have something waiting just for you.